In this lecture, we are going to cover diff command, difference command, compare two versions of source code in real time, like two versions of source code and modified expression, and compare configuration files. We check so configuration files and compare two log files. So this situation the real time employees they may use, like what real cases, like two source codes and previous and current source code, and current and previous configuration files and current and previous log files. So this point of view time they use like a diff command. Like, what is a diff? It is a powerful tool in Linux for comparing files and directories. We can compare both files and directories. It compares two files and shows the difference between them, including the added and deleted lines and difference between the common lines. So this type of information we will be get like a diff, like a file 1 and file 2. So this situation it compares the two files and displays the differences between the them. And if you want to difference, suppose like a diff hyphen or directory 1 and directory 2, so it compares two directories and show the difference between the files in them. And file 1 file 2, so like a different hyphen u file. So what happens here, show the difference between the two files in a unified format. Like suppose you go with hyphen c, so context format difference it will be shows. And hyphen q, the report whether two files are identically different or not. And hyphen y, you are going display the difference between two files side by side. Side by side it will be difference. And hyphen w, it will be displaying the ignore the white spaces changes and white comparing two files. And hyphen I, ignore the case of two files and it checks the content. Hyphen b, ignore the blank spaces while compare. So we are going to check. So overall what doing this diff command can compare two files and show the difference between them, include the added and deleted lines and the difference between the common lines. So I'll show with the examples. So this is our directory, this is a ls file, there are new files. I'm going to cd files directory, I'll jump here. Why? Because here there are multiple files are there. So clear, so clear ls, suppose clear under student purpose. So diff, there are two files are there, right? abc file abc.txt abc.txt and abc1.txt. touch abc123.txt. I created this. So abc diff abc.txt space final sort. Suppose I will go with the final sort. This is the difference. So why the previous files are not shows like a cat, this abc text abc.txt, welcome to abc, and again abc1, what files, same file. So what, it not give any differences, right? So here I want to go with l, so clear. So now vi abc123. So I go to enter, insert, welcome to my world, and here I'll check diff command. So 1 2 3 some commands lines I'll enter. So I'm going to save, escape wq, save and exit, right? So now I am going to check diff. So abc.txt and abc123.txt. So here common line, one line is common, welcome to abc. So that is welcome to my world is different and all are different. So now I like to edit this vi command, vi, and abc.txt. I'll enter something, so txt, and common lines I want to enter here. Insert welcome to fs with Srikanth, like 1 2 3 4 5, and welcome to abc, and I'm going to, and now I'll check compare both files. So this way it compares, right? So what is happen? So clearly it compares. So now I want to compare directories. So now I'm going to clear. So not compare right now. I want to execute like a context wise. I want to check, right? Context wise, same files. I'll go with the -c first, -u. So this is a context wise. So every information, so when it updates every information, and clear, and next -c unified format, and context. This is a context, and identically any change, -q. Actually log files that, and configuration file, that is a very difference, right? So abc, the files abc txt and the differ, both are different, right? Both are differ, so different or unique. Next one, next -w, I'll go. So 4 columns, everything. Next -i, -i, no. Next so I want to compare two directories. Clear ls, any directories are there, and cd dot. So clear list directories. So here some directories, Srikanth files directories and files directory, both are there. Now I want to go diff -r, and what it is, this is a one directory. What happens? And one more directory is like files. So only in files abc, only in Srikanth files, that. So in this way I want to compare both files. Suppose diff -y abc.txt cd/files. Clear, side by side I want to compare. So diff, what is the file name? I'm going with like abc.txt and abc123.txt. So here I want to side by side comparison, right? Hyphen y. So side by side it compares line by line the two files, the difference it will be clearly gives. So what line it will be the difference, right? So thank you so much, have a nice day, bye bye.